Choosing a colour online can be a quick and easy way to see what colours are available when redecorating. But did you know that digital colours are not always representative of the true paint colour? Today we're going to show you why that is and how you can use the handy colour search on brewers.co.uk to begin your colour search process. And then confirm your choice with real paint samples to find the colour that you love. There are two main reasons why colours can appear different online: how our devices show the colour, and how lighting can affect the colour within a space. Monitors and phones mix red, green and blue RGB light to create the overall display screen, and a bright screen can make the colours look more saturated and luminous because of this. Other factors can include your screen calibration and the fact that some screens display colours that others can't. Ambient lighting, and then what you can see in your screen is just an approximation of what the colour will look like. It's not a perfect match to how the colour will look in your space. Real paint colours can appear different to their digital representations because of the pigment and the paint's base, determining how the colour will behave. Dark colours with lots of pigment will absorb some light, whereas light colours with less pigment will reflect it. Add that to the differences in morning light, warm afternoon light, and again you have a series of different colours. So how can you settle on the perfect paint colour? Starting your colour search on brewers.co.uk is a great place to view a wide range of colours in one place. From this you can start to draw more inspiration and create a shortlist of your favourites. Once you've selected a few colours, you can order yourself some paint samples to see how the colour works in your space. Once they've arrived, either paint out your testers on card or lining paper. If you've opted for peel and stick samples, you can stick them directly onto the wall. Place the testers in your space and move them around the room to see how the light interacts with the colour samples. Don't forget to look at them in morning, afternoon and evening to see how the colour changes throughout the day. Once you've tested out all your colours and picked a favourite, it's time to order online or pop into your local Brewers Decorator centres. And there we have it. Use digital colours for inspiration and narrowing down your choices, but always order samples to see how they'll actually look in your space, giving you complete confidence in your choices.